There you go, sitting here for Alright, so on my way to pick up those SB Dunk low. I think I got the size 6.5, getting them on grade school, which is in kids Foot Locker, and hopefully they have more stock. Those are Jordan 1 mids with crimson tint, and we'll never know what's gonna happen or what's gonna be on restock on the store. So hopefully we could find something, and that's what we do, how we hustle during my lunch break. Picking up the kids Foot Locker.
3 weeks after they came out.
Okay, let's see. There you go, sitting here for grade school. Got lucky, got found them on kids Foot Locker. Luckily, I found also a Jordan for UNC. So got lucky, size 6. Alright, I'm home. It was very toxic at work today, but we still got a lot to do and do some unboxing. So go and freshen up and let's do it. Here we go. We got it here. So before we unbox those, I was gonna talk about a little bit what happened with the release on the SB Dunks, especially on Foot Locker. Just like what I mentioned on one of my video, that there was a shipping delays, mostly a lot. I mean, like a shipping delay on Champs, shipping delay on Foot Action. There's no release, reservation or anything going on in my area. The only thing that supposed to have in my area is the SB Dunk, the Michigan. The only one that I won is in the kids Foot Locker. So what happened was, like, when I went to look into my reservation if I won the raffle, I was like kind of surprised that it was like an instant else. I was like, is there something going on, or it is really they do have the shoe, or they don't have the shoe, that they just do the raffle without the shoe? So that's what I'm thinking. So I just let it go. But then I saw some of the posts on the Instagram, I saw the posts on Twitter, also on YouTube, that there was actually a glitch that happened on Foot Locker. So that some of the reservation or entry the day an hours ago, or the day before the starting the raffle, it didn't go through. Some said that their reservation who did that 3 days before the draw actually won on Foot Locker. So I'm not really sure if that's true, but I did enter my raffle more than like 3 days before the raffle. So I think it's not just that more than a couple days or something like that. So I think it's actually there's something going on, a glitch that happened with the Foot Locker. It doesn't happen on kids Foot Locker, which is, that's what we're gonna unbox it today. So I thought it's just me, or it's just on my area. It is worldwide, US. So well, it is what it is. I was hoping I wasn't working tomorrow, so that I could go on Foot Locker, Champs, and Foot Action if they do have some leftovers. But unfortunately, I'm working. So today I'm just gonna share to you what we got on kids Foot Locker, and I did one, this is my transaction. So 2 accounts, one from me and on my daughter's account. First one, so we have here a size 6.5 colorway is varsity maze. Okay, midnight navy. So it is the Michigan colorway. Ooh. Not bad for the color though. Well, it's just the typical SB Dunk, not much going on with the leather, nothing special. It's just the SB Dunk that having a hype right now. So there we go. It's just the typical blue and yellow, the Michigan colorway. And luckily we got the grade school sizes, but unfortunately we didn't want on the men's because of the glitching that happened. Now I was kind of rushing going to the store because it was just my lunch break. I just didn't look around. I just went through, and I was kind of having some delays also because one of the customer paying for a gift card, it takes a while for him to finish the transaction. So it takes me more time to be in the store, but then I didn't try to look around. So after my transaction, and then I paid already this one, I was kind of surprised when I saw this one. It's on the the display when you go inside the store. Like, oh, why? So I just still got lucky. We have here the Air Jordan 4 University Blue. We have the grade school size 6, and we got really lucky that, hey, sometimes you're lucky. You just like stumble there, go pick up your reservation, and then bam, another one on University Blue. How lucky I am. Yep, there's a consolation that happened even though I didn't want on the men's. And then second transaction is with the family. They had to pick it up. So since I already knew that this one, they have it on the full size, kind of full size run XX size 7. That's why I told them go and bring the whole team. Not really. Okay, so there we go. The another Nike Dunk low grade school, which is size 6. Okay, another one right there. So I'm trying to do more experimentation with the sizing, because sometimes when I try to do size 7, I'm not really winning. So that was the now I knew what is the good size that I'm gonna pick it up on my area. 6 and 6.5, which is really good, especially in Kids Foot Locker. And then another Jordan 4, which is size 6.5. Boom. Another one. And then we have this one. Another one. Like, hey, bring the family. So we have 3 pairs of the Jordan 4 University Blue. If you got the family with you to help you out, do the hustle. So that is our vlog for today. That is our hustle for today, including the family. So I hope you won, even though there was a glitching on the Flex app. I hope you won on the grade school, and I hope you could pick it up on something that is on your area, and hopefully you got your late restock of University Blue in your area. So that is our vlog for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, can you please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Peace, mag-ingat. Bye bye.